Check out this secret SERP analysis feature inside of rytr. If you want to take your SEO game up a notch inside of rytr, you can put in your primary keyword or long tail keyword and it will use real-time SERP analysis in order to give you fully SEO optimized content. This is how you do it. Here I am inside of my rytr dashboard and I'm going to go down to account. Then I'm going to go down here to integrations and I'm going to click enable. This is going to turn the SERP analysis tool on with generating blog ideas and outline. I'm going to head back to the dashboard and I'm in the blog idea and outline section. If you can see, you've got all of these here. I've clicked on that. I'm then going to put in my primary keyword. I'm going to have just one variant produced today, optimum level, and I'm going to change my tone to thoughtful. I'm going to hit the Write for Me button and now the AI is going to work and produce content for me. So here we go, we've got our title here, our blog idea title, we've got our introduction, and then we've got our outline. We can expand on this, we've only got 125 words so far, but look, down here we've got our SERP analysis working for us. And here we go, the SERP analysis is finished. That took about 30 seconds, but we've got a total of 22 keyword clusters. And then we've got them organized into topics and then count for how many times they show up. So you can see here as I scroll down, all the way down, 22 different topic clusters for our keywords, and then the keywords suggested within them, plus a count so we can see how many times they show up. If I want to check out the sources, I can click here and I can see the H1, H2 tags and so on for the different websites that are ranking in SERPs for the same primary keyword. Very, very cool feature inside of rytr. I definitely recommend you turn it on and check it out. If you want to learn more about creating blog content, then just watch this video that is on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.